Resurgence in range cooking sales recently. It seems like many people are having range cookers designed into their kitchens rather than just integrated appliances. We see Smeg as one of the top brands that we do, and they have a range of 60 centimetre, 90 centimetre, 1 metre and 110 products. We're looking here at the dual fuel models, so a full gas hob and then electric ovens and grill below. I think with this little upstand it makes it look like quite a Victorian style product, but yet somehow it still looks super modern. The gas taps are all metal. You know, you can feel that it's really good quality. This tall side oven, be it on the 90 or the 100, is fully fan assisted. This will allow you to cook on 4 levels at the same temperature. It actually gives you more space than just using the single bottom oven. Just really nice products. Black, cream and grey when you're looking at the 90 and the 100s. The 60 centimetres come in black and cream. And then if you go up to the 110, you also get the pastel blue colour and a stainless steel option. But they are very high quality. They look great. All of the features on them, easy clean doors, as I say, really tactile controls, just a superb product. Have a look on our website. There's more information on there, or if we can help, don't hesitate to give us a call.